This is a Kohler toilet I've had for less than a year. Probably about every 7 minutes I would hear the water kick on, and I believe it is a busted valve or seal that I got the replacement part right here. And then there are instructions on the back that I want to go through to get this replaced. I'm not a plumber, but we'll give it a shot. Probably not that hard. According to these instructions, you want to disconnect the hose, remove that disc. They don't give it a name, they just say remove. Disconnect the chain, and then slots and seal. Not very descriptive. So let's disconnect this, I guess. I don't know if you just pull. Okay, so yeah, that just pulls off. That does not twist the way that they're saying. And it also does not pull up over that, so I hope this isn't breaking it. Okay, so it looks like apparently that little deal right there was being turned around, and you can see where it fits in there. So I'm guessing turning that kind of unlocked it. So I'm just gonna leave it chained because I don't think that's gonna make a big difference. And then here's the seal, and this is probably the culprit right here, this little knot. And it's probably just letting the water just flow in as much as it needed to. So, how the replacement? Same things. It was firmly connected on this, so let's see. This is really tough to do with one hand. I'm gonna have to maneuver this. I don't think I want to be able to have video showing this, but I'll try. I'll give it my best shot. Hopefully I can keep this somewhat in view. It seems like it stretches around this little ring at the bottom. So we'll pull that around, work it around, and I think that's how it's supposed to go. Seems like it's on there pretty good. So now we'll take this, make sure it's lined up right so it's going that way. Then we'll get this guy lined back on. No great way to do it. Okay, that popped down and I've turned. That seems to be on there all right. So I think we might be good. We'll find out. Put that back on. And let's turn the water on down here because I've had to turn it off. I got tired of hearing it kick on every 7-8 minutes. And I'll come back with a report. So far, it's been about 10-15 minutes, so I think it's good. I think it did what it's supposed to, and I bet that little bubble on the other seal was what was causing the issue. So I think we are good.